I am B. Lakshmi Prasanna, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Now we will see how to execute a program on sorting of numbers. So sorting of numbers includes arranging the numbers in ascending order and descending order.
To write the assembly language program in ascending order, first we have to take the assembler. So here it will ask you to give the address. So you can give any address, but this address should not be used in the program to store any input values. For example, I am taking here 6000 as the address. Okay, so in this 6000 location only the program will be stored. So after giving the address, you click assemble. So the control will come here. So from here we have to write the program. Now, so first instruction is move B ch hash 4. Okay, so number of inputs you can take is 4. Decrement ch. So ch value will be decremented by 1. Move B cl ch. The contents present in ch register will be moved to cl register. Move W si hash 2000. So we are going to give the inputs in source index register, which is initialized at 2000 location. Move al si. The contents present in si location will be moved to al register. So the contents of si will be incremented by 1. So compare al si. Next, so JC. So if this jump if carry, okay, if this condition is satisfied, my intention is I have to move the control to somewhere in the program which is not written. Okay, so initially I don't know where to move the control because I don't know the location. So in this case I have to give some dummy address here. Okay, so while giving the dummy address, see that location should not be repeated to any instruction, and that location should be in 6000 series because you are writing the program in 6000 location. So for example, I am giving as 6080 as the dummy address. During disassemble, I have to change this dummy address to the original address. So exchanging the contents of SI with AL register. So decrementing SI value. So move B SI, AL. Incrementing SI location. So decrementing the counter value. So if the counter value is not equal to 0, Okay, jump if not 0. That means if the counter value is not equal to 0, my intention is I have to move the control to MOV AL comma SI. So MOV AL comma SI location is 6009. So 6009. So if the condition is not satisfied, the control automatically will be moved to 6009 location and it start executing again from there. So decrementing the value of CH register. So J and Z, jump if not 0. If CH condition is not satisfied, that is if that is not equal to 0, my intention is I have to move the control to move the CL comma CH. So its location is 6004. So I have to give that address. So if I give that address, if the condition is not satisfied, the control will automatically move to that location and it starts executing from there again. And the last instruction is INT 03. Now, so before closing this, I have to remember the location where I have stored the program. So it is 6000. So close it, open, disassemble and give here as 6000. Click disassemble. Okay. So this is our ascending order program. So remember that the dummy address we have used here and you have to change this dummy address to the original address before simulating. Okay. So click on this line and here the dummy address what I have given is 6080. Okay. But my intention is I have to move the control to 6016. So click assemble right here as 6016 as the original address. Then click OK. In this way you have to replace the dummy address with the original address. So after replacing, you click again on the first line. Then you start simulating by clicking set PC and run. So if you click run, the control will be at the end of the program. So since you are giving more number of inputs here, you have taken the location, memory location. So you have to go for here, clicking memory window and substitute memory. So you have taken here 2000 location to store the inputs. So click here 2000 and here also as 2000. So in this 2000 you can give any inputs. So I am giving here 13. So you can observe here 13 will be replaced and in 2001 you can give 10 and in 2002 you can give 14 and in 2003 you can give 9. Okay, so the counter value is taken as 4. So you can give only 4 inputs. So I have given 4 inputs, that is 13, 10, 14 and 9. These 4 numbers are given in the random order. But if you simulate this program, these 4 numbers will be arranged in the ascending order. Now, so to perform the ascending order, again you go for set PC, give here SI location. So in the present program, SI location is initialized at 2000. So right here 2000, click disassemble and then run. Now you go for observing the result in the memory window which is arranged in the ascending order. So see here 13, 10, 14 and 9 is the input you have taken. Okay, now you will get these numbers arranged in the ascending order. So see here, it is arranged in the ascending order like 9, 10, 13 and 14. So you have to note down the output which is in the ascending order. So in the 2000 location, you have to note down as 09. In 2001, you have to note down 10. In 2002, you have to note down 13. And in 2003, you have to note down as 14. This is how you have to execute the program for ascending order. Again, if you want to see our ascending program, you can see it. If you type the location where you have saved your program, that is 6000, and click disassemble, again you will get your ascending order program. Descending order program is also same, but you have to change only one instruction. Okay, so what is that instruction? Instead of this JC, you need to enter JNC. It will become the program for descending order. So click on this line and have here assemble. So rewrite that instruction as JNC 6016 and click OK. So instead of JB, it will be replaced with JNB. Now if you simulate this program, you are going to have the descending order output. So click on this first line and go for set PC. Now execute this descending order program. Click run. So the instruction will be INT3, the last instruction. The control will be at the end of this program. So since you are taking 4 inputs, you have to go for clicking memory window and substitute memory. So you have to go for giving the inputs in 2000 location. So give different inputs in 2000 location in the random way. If you simulate this program, the same numbers will be arranged in the descending order. So I am giving here 12. So the 12 will be replaced here. So in 2001, I am giving 10. Here in 2002, I am giving 15. Click OK. And in 2003, I am giving 13. Now, so see here 12, 10, 15 and 13 are the 4 inputs I have taken. So these 4 inputs will be arranged now in the descending order. So to arrange this in the descending order, again you have to go for disassemble, set PC, give here SI address. So SI address in the program we have taken is 2000. Click disassemble and then run. Now, so you have to see the result in the 2000 location and the result will be arranged in the descending order. So you click 2000 and press enter. So if you observe 15, 13, 12 and 10, all these 4 inputs have been arranged in the ascending order. Now, so this is the descending order output. In the 2000 location, you have to note down 15, in 2001, 13, in 2002, 12, in 2003, you have to note down 10. So this is the output for descending order. So in this way, you have to execute the program to arrange the numbers in the ascending and descending order by using Win862 software. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.